Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today I'm making stuffed tofu. This dish is inspired by Hakkani's traditional stuffed tofu, but I will be making some changes to my taste. To start with, I will be using lean ground beef instead of ground pork, and instead of frying it, I will steam it. I've wanted to make stuffed tofu for a while, so today is the day. Let's get started. So for the pound of beef I have, this is all of the ingredients that I will put into meat. I have this much of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, probably use about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, of white pepper, 1 green onion, 3 stalks of cilantro with stems. I don't want to overpower the meat, we just want to complement it. So ingredients are pretty simple and not many of them. Let's go ahead and chop it up. So, as you can see, it's pretty finely minced. You can use grater, you can use garlic press, but this is pretty well for me, to my taste. Here's the beef I use. Yes, it is pretty lean, but remember, I'm going to steam the dish, so I speculate it's still going to be very juicy. Need a tablespoon or so of white pepper. And now we mix. It feels a little dry. Go with a couple tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Much better. I'm clearly not going to use a whole pound of meat because I only have 1 block of tofu. So you have a couple options. Buy more tofu to make all of this, or treat the rest of it as, you can use this for meatballs, dumpling stuffing, or you can even make burgers with it. So let's move on to tofu. I'm using firm tofu for this. Go ahead, press a little bit to get rid of some of the liquid. I have a plate that will go into a steamer, so as I prepare tofu I will place each piece here. So now we make these into little pockets. I'm just using a spoon. You can use a knife. Be careful, don't go too deep. Yeah, I think this is good. The remaining pieces of tofu, don't look too good, but they're perfect for something like soup or something, right? So what I will do is actually fill up a container that this came from with water, just dump them in there till I use it next time. Fail. Can you see my spoon through there? That's too deep. It's okay. Still use it. So, lesson, don't be in a hurry. Okay, so here's our tofu pocket situation here. It's not ideal, but I do want the plate. You will see later. I want all that juice that will come out throughout the steaming. I want to keep this. We will make sauce out of it. So let me see if I can figure out a better configuration of these pieces here. I don't know if it's okay that they touch or not. Is it? Maybe to be safe, just give a little bit of space. I think you'll be just fine. Let's start stuffing these. Just using this spoon. Okay, I'm just going in with my hands. It bothers me, this rips here, but hey, I'm not running a restaurant, so let's go. I'm just wrapping the rest of this meat here, and it goes back into the refrigerator till I figure out what I want to do with it within the next day or two. Got my steamer here with a couple cups of water. Tofu goes in. I'm going to give this a drizzle of soy sauce. Just a little bit. And now we'll just go ahead and steam them, probably about 10 minutes after the water boils. It has been total of 14 minutes. After about 10 minutes I checked it and I still could see some red juice. Let's check to make sure that they're done. Careful. I say they look great. They definitely feel done. Nice. So take a look at all this juice. Normally I could lift the plate out at this point, but I don't want to lose all of this goodness here. I guess I'm going to have to use some alternative methods of getting these onto a serving plate. Alright, now that this high precision procedure is over, I can actually lift off the plate without losing the juice. And I'm going to collect it into this little pot. We will make sauce next. There you go. Here's what we've got going in our sauce. White pepper, another tablespoon. Couple tablespoon dark soy sauce. About a tablespoon oyster sauce. About a tablespoon soy sauce, regular or light soy sauce. We mix well. Onto the fire. Now it's boiling a little bit. Off the heat with a cornstarch slurry. Just to thicken a little bit. And now just drizzle the sauce all over stuffed tofu. Top it with a little cilantro. Well, here we go. Stuffed tofu, inspired by Hakka's traditional stuffed tofu. Let's give it a try. It smells so good. It's delicious. Well guys, I'm really satisfied with this. I like it. I'm definitely going to make it again using different flavor sauces. I'm thinking spicy, numbing Sichuan style would be also great. So hopefully it inspires you to try something like this. or if you have already and you have your favorite recipe, please leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please take care. All the best wishes to you.